J.C. Foster College retained both male and female titles at the 2026 Intercollegiate Athletics Championships at the Stadium East track on Thursday. Here's Christopher Scott with that report.
J.C. Foster tallied 97 points, 24 more than UTEC, to secure another hold on the men's title. UA-Mona, who tallied 57, Bethlehem Moravian College 44, and Jamaica University College on 37, completed the top five.
Well, I would say I'm very happy with the performance that they give. They showed a lot of heart, and they made sure that if there were any challenges today, they are ready to face it.
J.C. Foster College also secured the women's crown with 103 points, just 4 clear of UTEC. UA-Mona 46, Jamaica University College 34, and Toronto Teachers College 16 rounded out the top 5.
My ladies know that we're going to war, and war we did. So we never doubted that we were going to bring back the trophies back to the Den of the Lions. We knew that was what was going to happen.
Assistant coach at J.C. Foster College, Jermaine Hamilton, felt it was a job well executed by his team.
For us, it was about winning, coming out here today and defending our title. We work tirelessly on a daily basis to ensure that we get this championship back to Spanish Town. So we are excited and we are really happy that we defended our title. Once you're competing, anything is possible, but we stayed level-headed and we ensured that we kept what we have in mind, the task at hand, and we delivered.
In terms of individual performances, Shauna K. Anderson of UTEC copped 3 gold medals. She landed the women's 400 meters in 52.38 seconds, the 800 meters in 2 minutes at 20.78 seconds, and also anchored her team to victory in the women's 800 meters sprint medley in 1 minute 43.67 seconds.
It's really important to me. This is my good training ground, so I feel like training today. I think I did well, so I'm pleased.
Jamaica University's national representative Rashid Foster clocked 10.41 seconds to win the men's 100 meters for the 3rd consecutive year, while Gary Card of UTEC clocked 20.59 seconds to take the men's 200 meters. A team will be selected from the championship to represent Jamaica at this summer's International University Sports Federation FISU Championships in Lima, Peru from July 20 to August 1. Christopher Scott, TVJ Sports.
All right, time to go for a break. Stay with us. We'll be back with more on Primetime Sports Friday.